The Azure platform deals with humongous volumes of data every day. And this is made possible with their wide range of storage and data services. In this section, we will deal with what options do we have to choose for our storage and data requirements for our application workloads within Azure, and how do we design them for high availability. The applications we build and maintain will generate data, and this data has to be stored, either in a structured manner or in an unstructured manner. And when it comes to unstructured manner, it can usually be binary large objects or, in general, an object-based storage. And when it comes to structured data, it can be relational and non-relational and might most of the time require a database. In this video, we will explore what options do we have in either cases. 1 for object storage, 2 for database kind of storage. Let's go further. Principally, there are 3 categories of storage and data services possible in the Azure platform. 1. Object storages, 2. Non-relational database services, 3. Relational database services. In my experience, I've seen the following to be the most predominantly used Azure data and storage services. For one, it is Azure Storage Accounts, Azure SQL Database, Azure MySQL Database, Azure Postgres Database, and Azure Cosmos DB. While few of these names might sound a little more familiar to you to be available outside the Azure platform, when we choose these offerings from within the Azure platform, we take advantage of the key characteristics of cloud being offered to as a fully managed service. Besides what I've listed here, there are also several other database offerings from within Azure. For example, there is an Azure database for MariaDB, and then there is an Azure SQL data warehouse, and the list goes on. And maybe during the publishing of the course, there could be few more databases added to the list. And the Azure platform seems to be an ever-growing list of services. The point here is there is no one size that fits all. Every application is different, and therefore its requirements as well. And that eventually bubbles down to unique characteristics for storage and database requirements. Depending on the application you use, one of these choices might be more relevant. So it is important to make a balanced choice of what is more relevant to your application while making a decision on the storage and the database offerings from Azure.